Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm NFX and today I'm at K1 Mississauga doing some practice laps. So it's been quite a bit of time since I last uploaded a video, so if you're coming back to the channel, thank you and welcome back. If you're new, please, if you love racing, if you love karting, cars, anything, please subscribe. But today I'm here for my girlfriend's birthday, so we decided to go to K1 for her birthday. She wanted to race with her friends, and I said, okay, why not? It's a good opportunity to film content, but also have a lot of fun and try to race here. So it's really great to be back and racing, and I think this was like really good prep work for the upcoming season. And it's funny, I haven't raced or been fit or active in a bit, so this was kind of a challenge, but also a good challenge for myself to try to hit the fastest laps I can. Now I've only been here maybe one other time before for another birthday, funny enough, back in 2022. So what I'm really trying to do here is go for the fastest lap as possible, especially because I don't have much experience, but B, I've been out of the game for too long and I'm trying to work my way back into the karting season that's fast approaching in a couple weeks time. So in this session, I'm trying to hit around the 21-second mark, high 21 seconds. Let me just clarify that here. Some of the fastest times of the week were around the 21.3, 21.4, 0.5 second mark, and I really want to see how close I can get since this is like the second time I've kind of driven at this track specifically. I do prefer the Toronto one, but I think this track is a little bit more open in my opinion. But here, this is lap number 6. This is actually the quickest lap of my session, which is a 22.6. So still not exactly where I want to be personally. But I think overall, like for maybe, I think it's the second time I've been here, this is like a good result for me as a fastest lap. But I think here we're approaching some fun overtaking now. You can see ahead of me we have a group of people that are kind of bunched up together. So my goal obviously here is to kind of get past them, and you can see I'm swerving in and out, seeing if there's any gaps and mistakes that they made so I can capitalize on. Luckily, I was able to get that first overtake, and now it's just traffic on traffic and an overtaking session for myself as I squeeze right through, right on the edge of that of the first lap there. So here I'm just waiting, patiently waiting, seeing where some opportunities go through, and I squeeze right through the middle of the two drivers there. And now I'm chasing one of my friends, Sebi. As you can see here, he is losing a little bit of time, going a little bit wider through the S's there. The blue flag waves in and I go on the inside. Now, funny enough is that my girlfriend's right ahead of me. But I'm going to skip through because we have an upcoming safety car and just a little fast forwarding here. And now that I'm right up behind her, you can see that she's about a corner ahead of me. But you can really see a difference in this S part of the section here on the track. She's really going wide, which really compromises a lot of her exit speed and just control. When you do clean it up, it makes it a lot easier to get faster times, but also just control your car a little less heavy. I dive on the inside here, and what's funny enough is that I think there's an opportunity to go on the outside, but I just get locked in and my girlfriend goes right past, and now it's time to do it all over again. So fast forwarding, I actually don't even want to waste your time, but I do a nice switch back on her, but then she gets the blue flag and lets me through. So I just want to say shout out to the K1 staff in Mississauga. They were sick, and yeah, appreciate their service. So thanks for tuning in yet again. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Wow, good job. That was so good.